Hi there, my name is Taylor Ryan. I'm the founder of Clint, which is a growth hacking agency based here in Copenhagen, Denmark. I also run Growth Secrets, which is an online masterclass for anybody that wants to learn growth hacking at scale. Are you using growth hacking for digital marketing and events? Well, you better believe it. In 2021, there's going to be a ton of events. People are actually getting back together, people are vaccinated. And I'm actually going to be teaching this really cool idea, which is growth hacking within events, digitally and in person. I'm super excited to be partnering with Innovent to be able to give everybody a ton of value and show some really cool growth hacks. My speech in particular is running through all the crazy different growth hacks that I've used over the years.
Nice.
In order to drive tons of signups for events and engage with people before, after, and actually during the event. Really excited to get everybody out there. It's on the 27th of May. It starts at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Here in Denmark, that's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Please sign up, check this out. I guarantee you there's something in it for everybody. If you've ever been to an event or plan on running one in the future, this is for you.